Hi guys, today we're looking into comparing our whole numbers up to 120. Let's look at the vocabulary. Compare is to find out how things are alike or different. The symbol is greater than. So here's our example. We have 10, 20, 30. And we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 30 is greater than 14. We read it from left to right. Over here we have less than. In this case we have 14 is less than 30. Okay, so here we want to compare our numbers and choose less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay, so first let's count our number over here. We have 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. So on this side, we have the number 116. Let's count over here. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. See, so on this side, we have the number 84. So here, obviously, it is greater. So we read 116 is greater than 84. So the symbol goes here to make this number sentence true. 116 is greater than 84. Now let's look at this problem together. Here we have, let's count, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. On this side, we have the number 73. Over here, we have 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. On this side, we have 109. Alright, so let's look. 73 is less than 109. So our sign needs to be the less than symbol to make this number sentence true. 73 is less than 109. And remember, our alligator is super hungry. It wants to eat the bigger number. Now, let's look at this number together. What number is that? We have 100, we have 110, and we have two ones. Then we have over here 100, 110, two ones. I want you to respond to tell me how this should read. I'm looking forward to hearing your responses.